The next selector we will talk about is what you call general sibling selector. Until this point, we've covered a lot, that is ways of selecting element. So let's talk about the general sibling selector. Before we continue, I have already created a new folder and I have named it as general sibling selector. And inside, I only have few lines of HTML as before. So let me point out where you need to pay attention to better understand what is general sibling selector. Let's go. Well, you can see that here we have one div, and then that is it. And beneath that, we have individual p tags. This is where I want you to pay attention to. So what is general sibling selector? Well, the general sibling selector allows you to select all elements that are next siblings of a specified element or the selected element. So it means that all elements that are next siblings of the specified element. Good. So looking at this one, we have the first one. This is what you call the specified element because this is what we want to target. So this one is what we call the specified what? Element, because I want to style this one. And then the element that is next to the specified element are these ones, 1, 2, and 3. So any element that comes after the selected element, we can use general sibling selector to style all of these ones. So let's see how we are going to do it. And you can see that I have labeled this one as this won't take any effect because this P is not next sibling to the selected element. So let's see how we are going to implement that. It's pretty simple. So let's get to the CSS part of it. And now let's write some few lines of CSS and we'll be good to go. Remember, I need to target my specified element. That is my div. And then the symbol is called tilde. That is this, tilde. And then P, meaning I want to select all element that is next siblings to the div. Meaning I want to select all P that is next sibling to the div. So here we go. Color is equal to red. Now you can see that we have this element. These are next sibling to the selected div. So you see that this won't take effect because this one is not next to the next or is not next to the specified element. But if I bring that P tag here, this P, let me cut it from here and bring it down here and let's save it. Now you see that it has been affected to have that. So if I put, let's say, any tag apart from P, I can say, let's say H5 and let's say another paragraph. Let's see, save it. You see, I didn't get that color because I'm targeting P paragraph, but this tag is H4. If I change this one to H4, that H4 is going to have the color as expected. So in the next video, we will talk about what is called pseudo classes.